In this particular video, we will look into the first part of cockroach body, that is the head. Now, if we talk of head, the structure of head is triangular in shape. So, triangular head is there. Now, let us try to look into the shape. So, let us say that this is the body of cockroach, dorso-ventrally flattened body. Now, head will be present at right angles to it. So, triangular head will be present like this. So, in this diagram, we can say that this is the long axis of the body of cockroach and head is present at right angles or 90° to the longitudinal axis. That is why it is said that head lies anteriorly at right angles to longitudinal body axis. Now, this head will be connected to the thorax. This is the thorax. Now, the first segment of thorax, it is called as prothorax. So, prothorax will have a small neck which will extend out and head will be connected to prothorax with the help of this neck. Now, this neck is highly mobile, so cockroach can move its head in all direction. It gives mobility to the head in all direction. So, the point to be remembered here is that neck is not a part of head. Neck is a small extension of prothorax and it attaches to the head. Talking of the parts that are present in head, so the first part is the antennae. We will look into the details later. The second part is the simple eyes, to which we call it ocelli or ocellus. The third part is the compound eyes and the fourth part is mouth parts. So in the diagram, first we will look into the antennae. So these structures, two or pair present here, these are the antennae of cockroach. Now, these are thread-like structures. These are formed of very small joints. So, we can say that these are jointed structures. These arise from membranous sockets. So, just in front of the eyes, there are membranous sockets and each antennae will arise from one membranous socket. Now, coming to the functions of these antennae have sensory receptors and they can sense or monitor the environment with the help of these antennae. After antennae, we come to the second part and the second part is the simple eyes ocelli or ocellus. We will look into the presence of ocelli into this particular diagram. So, these small structures present here, these are the ocelli or ocellus. So, these are the photoreceptors, but image will not be formed with the help of simple eyes because image will be formed of compound eyes that we will be looking into a different video.